Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview ADVANTIS Tech Super Blue Crystal Clear Pool Water Polisher Clarifier. Have a hazy pool problem? Never fear, the Robarb Super Blue Clarifier is here. This concentrated formula instantly clears cloudy water in your pool and even prevents future hazy appearance from happening again. With this clarifier, you'll get 8 fluid ounces of liquid gold that is incredibly economical. Simply add 1 fluid ounce drop and you'll be able to treat up to 5,000 gallons of water. Product benefits: great for above ground, in-ground, residential, and commercial pools. 1 fluid ounce treats 5,000 gallons of water, compatible with all filter types and sanitizing systems. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.